So I was talking in another video about the fact that the AI is trained on some data, and that I think that it should be connected to everything else, like as we humans are, or animals are. And quantum computing is the solution, even though it's not yet there. The technology is at the very beginning. That would be the way, the proper way to train the AI. So I'm trying now to understand how the quantum computing works, and why it's not there where it should be, and how I can use it for training my AI model. So apparently this would be the solution. Also, I am searching for a way to not use so much computing anymore. I don't understand why we need so much computing. The way the software is made, the computation is made, I think it should be changed. It's not as efficient as possible. I think I can make it more efficient, but I need to understand it, to go to the roots of it, to really understand it. And I hope AI, as it is now, will help me understand it and change it. I don't know if I can do it only with the AI. Maybe it's a possibility, or I would need a team of people, of humans, programmers, web designers, scientists, physicists. It's there are a lot of things that we don't know if they work as we think they work. So we should try to go to the roots of the things, to start over again. So yeah.